Hey Jenny, it's Simon from Growth Marketing Systems here, just showing you how you can access all the invoices in your Facebook ad account. So you should be able to access if you go to business.facebook.com. I can't provide you access as I'm not the account owner, but Portia over on your team there, she set me up and she added me in. So she should have a login for you to be able to jump in here. But once you get in here, you want to just click on this little drop down menu up the top here, and then go down to all tools, and then you should find billing. And then as soon as you hit billing, it'll bring up all your past invoices. What you can do, you can download all invoices by clicking here. There's a couple of different options, so that's all you need, and you can obviously change it. But I'll download the last 30 days of invoices and I'll shoot them over to you. Now, another thing, how Facebook bills is either within your threshold. So you can set up a threshold, and Facebook can bill you every time you hit that amount. So I'm not sure what yours is now. You can jump in your payment settings and configure that if you like. So you can either be billed every time you hit, say, $900 or $1,000, or it's every 2 weeks. So whichever one comes first. But I'll leave that up to you guys, however you prefer. But I'll shoot over the last 30 days worth of invoices to you now, and yeah, in the future, that's how you can jump in there. But if you need any questions or you need some help there, just let me know. Thanks.